Hello and good evening. مرحبا ومساء الخير. Welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab, we're going to learn together how to tell and answer the time. How to tell the time in English. اليوم راح نتعلم معا كيفية السؤال والإجابة عن الوقت أو الزمن. راح نتعلم كيف نسأل ونجاوب عن الوقت باللغة الإنجليزية. It is very easy. It just needs a little bit of concentration. طبعا الأمر بسيط جدا ولكن يتطلب شوية تركيز. So let's start now. To ask someone about the time or what is the time, it is as simple as this. What is the time? What is the time? بكل بساطة إذا كنا بنسأل شخص عن الوقت فالعبارة هي كالتالي. What is the time؟ يعني كم الساعة؟ What is the time؟ كم الساعة؟ طبعا بكل بساطة نقدر نقول It is 1 o'clock. It is 1 o'clock. إنها أي الساعة الواحدة تماما. It is 1 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. It is 2 o'clock. إنها الساعة الثانية تماما. o'clock بمعنى بالضبط. It's 2 o'clock, 3 o'clock, 5 o'clock. So what time is it? It is 5:15. It is 5:15. إنها 5:15. It is 15 minutes past 5. It is 15 minutes past 5. إنها 5:15. It is 6:30. It is 6:30. إنها 6:30. It is 13 minutes past 7. It is 13 minutes past 7. إنها 7:30. إنها 7:30. One more time. What time is it? It is 7:45. It is 7:45. إنها 8:45. إنها 8:45. It is 15 minutes to 9. It is 15 minutes to 9. إنها 9:45. إنها 9:45. It is 5 minutes to 10. It is 5 minutes to 10. إنها 10:55. It is 10 minutes. Okay, this is a quick recap for what we have taken. مراجعة سريعة للي أخذناه الآن. للسؤال عن الوقت أو الزمن عندنا طريقتين. الطريقة الأولى What is the time؟ الثانية What time is it؟ أي بمعنى كم الساعة، كم الوقت أو كم الزمن. الإجابة It is 1 o'clock. إنها 1 تماما. It is 2:15. إنها 2:15. It is 15 minutes past 3. إنها 3:15. It is 4:30. إنها 4:15. It is 13 minutes past 5. إنها 5:15. It is 6:45. إنها 7:15. It is 15 minutes to 8. إنها 8:15. It is 10 minutes to 9. إنها 9:10. It is 5 minutes to 10. إنها 10:05. It is 11 o'clock. إنها 11 تماما. Okay, this is for today from Learn English as you go أو تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. For more videos, please visit our channel on YouTube. That's English 101 UK. Until that time, cheers, bye. Hello everyone, welcome to Learn English as you go. مرحبا بكم في تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's vocab, we're gonna have two new words. The first one is city and the second one is citizen. الليلة راح نتعلم كلمتان جديدتان. الأولى هي city أي بمعنى مدينة. الثانية citizen أي بمعنى مدني أو مواطن with quick definitions and some examples. So let's do it now. Alright, so what's a city? City is human settlement. It is a place where people live in it. It is not a village and it's not a town. It's usually bigger with higher population density in residents, and it comes with sophisticated system of transportation, communication, sanitation, education, housing, and etc. etc. That's a city. As to the citizen, it has got two meanings. The first one is a person who lives in a city is a citizen. المعنى الأول للcitizen يطلق على الشخص الذي يعيش في المدينة. Citizen أي مدني. As for the second meaning is a person who holds citizenship of a certain country is a citizen of that country. المعنى الثاني للcitizen الشخص الذي يحمل جنسية لدولة ما يطلق عليه citizen أي بمعنى مواطن. Examples: time. London is the capital city of the United Kingdom. مدينة لندن هي عاصمة المملكة المتحدة. New York is not the capital city, but it is the commercial city of the United States. نيويورك ليست عاصمة الولايات المتحدة، ولكنها المدينة التجارية بالنسبة للولايات المتحدة الأمريكية. Paris is one of the oldest city. مدينة باريس هي من إحدى أقدم المدن. Novakov was a Russian, then had British citizenship, and then became an American citizen. نوفاكوف كان روسيا ومن ثم حصل على الجنسية البريطانية ومن ثم أصبح مواطنا أمريكيا. He applied for the citizenship to become a citizen. تقدم لطلب الجنسية لكي يكون أو يصبح مواطنا. Our job is to educate citizens about their rights. مهمتنا هي تثقيف المواطنين حول أو بحقوقهم. So this is what we have for today. I hope you like it. Until next time, cheers, bye.
Good morning everyone, happy Friday. This is Learn English as you go. تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. In today's snap, today's vocabs are going to be so quick because it's raining and we're going to have nice ones. The first one is crowds and the second one is crowded. Crowds is a noun, اسم, and crowded which comes from crowd, is an adjective, صفة. And crowds mean a group of people are gathering in one place. A group of people are concentrating onto one spot. And crowded is an adjective which describes the place itself. So the place is crowded. A place or street where a group of people are gathering, concentrating onto one spot. So the place, we can describe it as crowded. So let's have. All right. So in other words, crowds mean زحام, حشد من الناس, كب. So crowds is a large number of people are gathering together, and the situation is likely to be chaotic. So crowds is a noun, ism, and it means حشد من الناس, زحام, or كب. While crowded, an adjective, صفة, so it describes the place itself. So it means مزدحم. For example, the place is really crowded. Streets are crowded. الشوارع مزدحمة. So crowd means ازدحام أو حشد, and crowded means, here in Britain in summertime crowds are everywhere. Because it's summer, crowds are everywhere. A lot of tourists, a lot of people come to visit this country. So when you go to downtown, the city center, there are a lot of crowds. On the seaside, crowds. On trains, crowds everywhere, which means everything is crowded. Shopping malls are crowded, trains are crowded, and stores are crowded. So crowds, a lot of people all together. Crowded, the place are full of people. It's crowded. For example, where I'm standing now, are there any crowds around me? In this part? No, not right now. Is it crowded? No, it's not crowded. So, okay, now I hope that the meaning of crowds and crowded are very clear and understandable. For more vocabs from they learn English as you go, تعلم اللغة الإنجليزية على الماشي. You can find us on YouTube. Just type English 101 UK. I repeat, English 101 UK. That's our channel on YouTube. You can follow us on Twitter, Instagram, or even Facebook. It's the same, English 101 UK. Now, I hope you like it. Until next time. Cheers. Bye. Have a nice day.
All praises to Allah, all praises to